So here we will discuss about hashing. So hashing, it's a data structure in which the mapping a large data into smaller tables using a hashing function. So it is also known as a message digest function. So the hash table is basically array of elements, and it is performed by the part of the item, that is key. So each key is mapped to a number that ranges remains from 0 to table size 1. So here hashing in the data structure has two-step process. So it converts the item into smaller integer or hash value. Second, it is used as an index to store the original data. It stores the data in a hash table. Hash function. So hash function means in the data structure maps the size of the data to a fixed size. So this hashing techniques that is hash equal to hash function key. That is the index value is hash percentage array size. So a good hash function never gets stuck in clustering and distributes keys evenly across the hash table. Hash table is a data structure uses hash table to store the key value pairs. So here you can see the key values hash function with the index value 0, 1, 2, 3. Value will be value 1, value 2, value 3 and value 4. So how does the hashing in data structure works? So here the hashing function maps the strings or numbers into smaller integer value. So it retrieves the item from the list using hashing function. So hashing assigns all the elements as a unique key. It's a single key, and it stores the data in a key value pair. So here the index number keeps the value that corresponds to that key. So the hash function returns a small integer value as an output. The output of the hash function is called as a hash value. So here we can see the key value is 3. So here we have considered the hash table with 30 cells. The values are 321, 172, 40, 36, 530, 11, 44, 15, 33, 18, 12, 16, 80, 38, 99. So we have considered the key value as 3, 1, 40, 5, 11, 15, 18, 16 and 38 in the table. The hash function is 3 modulus 30, that is 3. So array index is 3. 1 modulus 30, that is 1. So 1. 1 is the array index value. So likewise we have calculated for all the values. So 38 means 38 modulus 30, that is 8. So array index is 8. So collision. So collision means in the same hash table, same size, the values will be colloided. So it will overlap. So that is known as collision. So here separate chaining method handles the collision by creating a linked list to occupy buckets. So some characters of good hash function is minimizes collisions basically, and easy and quick to compute. The key values are inserted evenly in the hash table. Advantages and disadvantages of separate chaining, that is the separate chaining main advantages, it is the simplest method to implement and understand, and we add any number of elements to the chain. And disadvantages is the key in the hash table is not evenly distributed. Some amount of wastage of space occurs. So complexity of searching becomes the worst case when chain becomes long. Thank you.